Hello, good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying this rainy season. So, it's time to start some academic activities also along with this fun. So, let's start our second exercise, that is exercise 3.2. One question we have already done about division. Now, starting with the second question, that is calculate orally. This type of question you might have done in your previous class also, and as well as in your second chapter also. So let's do it. Calculate orally means you don't have to do the calculation, you directly have to solve by doing the calculations orally. Like here 300 multiplied with 200. So if zeros are there, that zeros remains as it is, that is not to be multiplied. 3 twos are 6. So for that I will write here 6, and how many total zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 zeros will be copied as it is over here. So this will give your answer, that is 60,000. Similarly, let's do the next one. 500 into 600. So 5 6 are 30. For that I will write here 30 and 1 2 3 4. Again 4 zeros I will put like this, and this will be my answer, that is 3 lakh. Now the next is 5984 multiplied with 1000. Always remember, when any number multiplied with 1, it gives us the same result. So if 5984 will be multiplied with 1, it will give me 5984 only, and these zeros will be copied down. So this will give your answer as 59,84,000. Next is 450 multiplied with 0. This is also something new for you. Always remember, when any number multiplied with 0, it gives you 0. Howsoever number it is, if it is too small or it is too big, it doesn't matters. It always gives you answer 0. So the answer will become here simply 0. Nothing to write more than this. Next is 900 multiplied with 200. So 9 twos are 18. And then how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. So 4 zeros will be copied down here, and this will give your answer as 1,80,000. So this is about calculating orally of multiplication sums. I hope you can do it. This is simply your multiplicative table, multiplication table you all are knowing. So that table you have to read and do the calculations. Two things you have to keep in mind here is, one, if multiplied with any number gives you same result, and if 0 multiplied with any number, it will give you 0 always. Okay, now doing with the division sums. 1 to 4 times 0 when divided by 40. Always remember, when dividend is divided by the divisor, number of zeros are cancelled, same number of zeros. So here if it is 1, so 1 0 will be cancelled from here, and 1 0 will be cancelled from here. So 4 will be divided by 12 will be divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12. So my quotient will be 3, and the remaining zeros will be written as it is. So 3000 will be my answer. Same number of zeros you have to cancel, then read the table and find out the quotient, write that quotient, and whatever zeros are remaining, that you have to copy down. Let's do the next one. 35,000 divided by 70. Again 1 0 from divisor and 1 0 from dividend I have to cancel. Now read the table of 7 and reach up to 35. So 7 5s are 35. So I will write here 5. And how many zeros are remaining? 1, 2. So 2 zeros I will put here. This will make my 500 as my answer. Another one, 50 is divisor and 75,000 is my dividend. So 0 to 0 cancel and 5 stable. If I will read it 15 times, or you can go in the reverse order also. 15 5s are 75 or 5 15s are 75. So my quotient is 15 and 2 zeros copied. So 1500 is my answer. Now here see 2 zeros are there. So 2 zeros if I will cancel from here, 2 zeros from dividend also will be cancelled down. Now read the table of 6. 6 4 6 8s are 48. So 8 will be my answer and 2 zeros will be copied down. So 800 will be my final answer. Now again 200 divided by 100. Zeros to zeros will be cancelled and 1 2s are 2. So the answer will be only 2, nothing else. No zeros are remaining here, na? So I will write only 2. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you all and you can do it by your own. Now the question number 3 is simplify. And here simplify, you will be getting 4 operations together, that is division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, all you will get here, and you have to simplify and find out the value. So addition and subtraction you have already done in the previous chapter, and division and multiplication we have done in this chapter. So how to simplify this whole equation together, how to use all these operations together, what is to be done first? So for that we are having Demas rule. Demas rule is about division, D for division, then M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So in this way you have to go. First you have to divide, then multiply, then add, and at the end you have to subtract. So from whole equation you have to start with the division, next will be multiplication, then addition, and ending with the subtraction. So using this rule you can find out the value of this sum. So let's start. The question is 29 plus 24 divided by 8 multiplied with 4 minus 5. So first division we have to do. So 24 divided by 8. So we have to read the table of 8. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So here I will write 3 and rest everything I will copy as it is. One step you have to go. So 29 plus will remain as it is, I have copied, then multiplied with 4 minus 5 will be copied as it is. Now the next step will be of multiplication. You can see here after division then multiplication. So 3 into 4, 3 4s is 12. So for that I will write here 12 and rest everything I will copy as it is. So 29 plus 12 minus 5. Now after multiplication it is addition. So add these numbers. So 29 plus 12 is, do it in the rough column, 29 and 12. 9 plus 2, 11, 1 will be carried on. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, so 41. Then minus 5 copied as it is. Now 41 minus 5 will be 36. So this is your final answer. So I hope this simplification is very much clear to you all. Nothing you have to worry about. You just see the sum and remember this D mass rule. So accordingly, do first division, then multiplication, then addition, and then at the end subtraction. So you will get the answer. Okay. Let's do the next one. Next one is 30 divided by 6 plus 8 into 3 minus 10. So first, according to Demas rule, we have to divide 30 by 6. So we have to read the table of 6. 6 5s are 30. Rest everything copy as it is. So this will be 5 plus 8 into 3 minus 10. Now next step, multiplication. So 8 into 3 will be 24. So copy that thing. 8 3s are 24. Then copy everything as it is. 5 plus minus 10. Next step, addition. Add these number. 5 plus 24 will be 29 minus 10. Last step is of subtraction. So 29 minus 10 is 19. So this will be your final answer. Okay. Now let's see the one more sum, that is next sum is 21 divided by 7 plus 16 minus 3 into 5. So first step is of division. So I have to divide 21 divided by 7. So 7 stable, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So 3 I will write and rest everything I will copy as it is here. So plus 16 minus 3 and multiplied with 5. Next step is of multiplication of 3 with 5. So 3 5s are 15 and everything I will copy here as 3 plus 16 and minus sign will be copied here. Now you have to add. So 3 plus 16 is this, you will add 3 plus 16 is 19 minus 15. So 19 minus 15 will be 4. So this will be your answer. Now last sum, and then I will give you few questions for your practice also. 15 minus 2 multiplied with 5 plus 9. So according to Demas rule, first we have to divide. We are supposed to divide, but here division is not there. So we'll go for the next step, that is multiplication. So 2 multiplied with 5. So the answer will be 2 5s are 10 and everything rest you will copy here. 15 minus 10 plus 9. Now you have to add. Second step is of addition, but here 15 minus 10 and then plus 9. So this 9 you will bring on this side to add with 15, because 15 is not having any sign. That means it is of positive plus sign and this is also plus sign. So both which is having same number of same sign, they will be added. So I will first do the rearrangement. 15 plus 9 will come here and minus 10 will go after it. So 15 plus 9 will become 15 plus 5 is 20 plus 4, that is 24 minus 10. So 24 minus 10 will be 14. So this will be your answer. So I hope this is clear to you all and understood the Demas rule very well. Go through the videos twice or thrice and then understand the concept clearly and do the practice work very well. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Meanwhile, practice well and keep healthy. Thank you.